Hello, good night everyone. My name is Joanna Camacho. I am 30 years old. I study at UNAD in a program environment engineering. I work as an operation coordinator and company of waste solid. I like listening to music. I like ride a bike. I like training karate. My belt is green. I like wild mountain. I like fruit salad. I don't like soccer. I don't like food fast. My shoes Enrique Olaya Herrera Park National. This park was built in 1944. It's commonly called National Park. It's situated between 36 and 39 Street and Street 7 and until Street 5. It's the second oldest park in Bogota. The principal monument is the Watch Center. There are some monuments. The extent is extended is of 65 hectares. Thanks and goodbye.